In this video, I'll detail how to change SMS alert ringtone on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to change the SMS alert or SMS notification alert from the default to your choice of ringtone available on the watch, then this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to change your Apple Watch SMS alert is just press the two crown once. Once you click on that, select the settings icon and then scroll down until you get to sound and haptics, then click on that, then scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to test tone, click on that. Then under test tone, you should see all available tone or all available tones or ringtone you can use here. Then go ahead and select it. So once you selected it like this, just hit the back button and that is it. So you have successfully changed the touch tone on your Apple Watch. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.